threat!
Not a threat? Didn't we just blow up his home?
Perfect! You have completed the orca, and by the looks of it, it works. Come with me, and we will let the rest of these creatures loose.
Okay.
Really, Mom?
We must nuke Godzilla. It is the only way. Our torpedo system is broken, so I must do it by hand. It is time. Let me die.
Are you sure there's nothing we can do?
Let me die.
Maybe go back to the surface and get another sub?
Let me die.
Maybe give these coordinates to the government so they can send a nuke right now?
Let me die.
You just want to stop being in these movies, don't you? Let me die.
You missed!
What were you even aiming at?
To the sky, boys! Oh no! Godzilla! Oh, look who doesn't have wings!
Who doesn't have wings?
Godzilla! Julie doesn't have wings.
Oh, Godzilla!
He's right there on the ground. How are you king of the monsters if you can't fly?
Yeah, right!
What is this? Oh, he's coming to the force!
He really is the king!
Hurry! Get as far away as you can!
Mom.
And I will draw Ghidorah away!
Okay.
Mom!
What?
You already turned that thing on. Ghidorah is coming for it.
I know! But I need to get in the car with it and drive away!
Mom, that thing is a giant flying monster! Don't be dumb.
Yeah, you're right. I probably would have died. Sorry, I just get so crazy sometimes.
I think I want to live with Dad now.